Hello ladies, and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58. This is Faith. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome again. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Today I have a human hair wig for you, and it's not from a regular human hair company. This human hair wig is from Sensationnel. It's called Robyn, and it's a pixie. And it says it's an Empire wig, 100% human hair celebrity series, and I have her in the color 4. So she's a human hair wig. Here she is. Little pixie wig. You guys know I've been trying to do these little pixie wigs for you. This one, it has a comb in the front. Yep, it has one comb in the middle. Why, I don't know, but it has one comb in the middle. And then it has a comb in the back, and of course it has adjustable straps. The cap is stretchy, so that's good. So I'm going to put it on and we're going to see what we can do with Robyn. Okay. Here she is. She's got sideburns and she's kind of messy in the front. But I actually think I'm going to like that. So we're going to try to get her out of our face, and maybe we may even have to chop her a little bit. So let me see if I can get her situated here. So far so good. She's cute. Trying to get those tabs in the right place. See if I can get my ear out here. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so let's see what we can do with Robyn. I'm going to just brush her around. She's got a lot of hair at the top, you know, so, and let me show you what she looks like in the back. Well, here she looks on the side. Here she looks in the back. Yeah, I like the way the hair comes out down here. In the back, I always like that about pixie wigs, if they have enough hair to really do that. She acts like she kind of wants to flip up over here, which is kind of weird. So, I don't know. Brushing her that way may not be the thing. Let me see if I can brush her the other way. In the picture, she's all in the woman's face. And I don't think I want to wear her like that. Because even if I did that, I'd have to cut the bangs. And, I mean, I'm going to cut the bangs, so I can tell that I'm going to have to do that. But I want to wear her sideways. I don't want to wear her the other way. So let me get some scissors and see what I can do here. Matter of fact, I'm going to go and get one of those razor combs. I'll be right back. Okay, I went and got a razor comb and I'm back. So I'm going to see if I can just like cut some of this hair out of here with this razor comb. See what I can do here. Actually, that's not really working. I think I just need to do the traditional chop because that razor comb is not working. So I'm just going to cut some ends here with my scissors. Let's see if I can get this out of my face instead of using that razor comb, because that razor comb was not doing it. That's a little bit better. Go over here and do the same thing. Just to take a little bit off the front. That's better. That's better. Yeah, that razor comb was not getting it for me. Let's see here. And I don't know what this flip up thing is, but I'm cutting it too. Because it's getting on my nerves. This piece of flip up hair. Yeah, yeah. This is cute. It's cute. It's cute now. Let's see. Got a little bit more here and there. Yeah, I'm feeling it now. Yeah, I'm feeling it now. Now this side I think is a little bit too thick as far as the sideburns go. I'm going to cut these sideburns because I don't like really long sideburns anyway. I think that's better. Cut them. Yeah, I like mine shorter. Yeah, so I think Robyn's cute now. Yeah, and since she's human, you can dye her if you want to. Some of these hairs are getting in my eye. You can dye her if you want to because she's human. I think she's super adorable. Yeah, this might be useful on this side. Yeah, to do this. Yeah, this comb is only useful for certain things. Not for cutting like that. For thinning, they're good for thinning. So yeah, I think she's really cute now. Be a close-up look of her. See, she's really cute, I think. Again, I like the way the hair goes when it does that. Yeah. Yeah, Robyn's cute. And again, she's just a 4. So, you know, nothing spectacular about the color. She's just a 4. But yeah, she's really cute. And again, she is the Sensationnel Empire Wig, 100% human hair, Celebrity Series Robyn. And I have her in a 4. I'm assuming that she only comes in natural colors, like 1s and 1Bs, but I don't know. But I mean, on the picture, she's got blonde, so it doesn't list the colors on here. No, it doesn't list the colors on here. But I will put a direct link to her so that you guys can get to her. She's not a brand new wig, but I certainly think she's cute as a button. She really is. I'm thinking, oh, okay, so let's cut this one down a little bit, this sideburns. And yeah, you're just gonna have to keep messing with her to get her where you want her to be. You have to keep messing with her to get her to where you want her to be. But I think she's adorable. Yeah, she's really cute. She's really cute. Really cute throw on and go once you cut her up and get her, you know, to do the things you want her to do. Yeah, and if you want to wear her in your face, you can do that too. But I just prefer to wear her like this. So that she's kind of like not necessarily all in my face, but she still works for a quickie throw on and go wig. So if you're interested in Robyn, I'll put the information down in the description section. You guys know that I do Throwback Thursdays every now and then, and that's what Robyn is. So whenever I can find a Throwback Thursday wig that I think you guys are going to really like, I'm going to bring it to you, and that's what this one was. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button and that notification bell so that you don't miss all of my uploads. And as I always say, ladies, whoa, my hair's falling out on that side. If you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.